morning to everyone. Now I am telling past activities. I woke up at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Then I went toilet. Then I went to toilet, completed my ablutions. After that I went for walking for 1 hour. After coming back walking, I brushed my teeth and took a bath. I left my school. I left my school 8 a.m. I reached my school 9 a.m. I returned my school 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. Uh, after coming school, I playing with my friends from some time. And after meet, I did my homework. After I went my bed. That's all about my past activities. Bye. See you.